Hello friends, let me show you how to use custom font pack in Flutter TextStyle. First of all, I have created blank project with Flutter and I have main.dart empty file. First I am going to create my material app. Let's create our main function first. Main brackets. Now I'm going to run my app. To resolve this, I am going to import package flutter slash material.dart. Okay, now in runApp I'm going to use MaterialApp, and inside this I'm going to use Scaffold using home Scaffold and brackets here, and now I'm going to use appBar again. Alright, now inside this I am going to provide a title to my app as custom font. Great, now I can see there's an error. To resolve that, I can put the text here like that. Okay, finally I'm going to add a semicolon here to fix that. Okay, before we are going to use custom fonts to this text, I'm going to run this app. First I'm going to open my simulator in Xcode by searching for simulator, and after run that I'm going to run this project. Now I am seeing some issue in this test directory. For that I'm going to delete this widget underscore test.dart file. Great, now I'm going to run our app. Okay, this is our navbar, and I want to change this font to a custom font. To do that, I'm going to download the font from fonts.google.com. You can also search in Google for fonts Google, and you can visit to top result here. Great, now I need to download this Roboto font pack. By clicking this, I can select this font. Now I have selected my font family. Let's download that. Great. Okay, this is our font folder that we have downloaded, Roboto. I'm going to select few of these fonts and add it on my Flutter project. To do that, in your Flutter project, you have to create a new directory called fonts. Select your project, right click and new, create a directory called fonts. Okay, now we have to add our fonts to this folder. I'm going to add my Roboto-Bold font, and I'm going to add Roboto-Light font, and finally I'm going to use Roboto-Thin font. Let's drag it to our fonts folder. Okay, now what we have to do is, in your Flutter project you can see a file called pubspec.yaml. Click it. Below of these commented codes you can see codes for custom fonts. You can select starting from fonts and into this weight. You can uncomment those codes by using command and slash. Okay, command and slash. Great. Now you can provide your font family name. I'm going to use font family name as Roboto. Okay, now you have to provide where is your font assist. In font folder, first we can use Roboto-Bold as you need. I'm going to type for that here Roboto-Bold.ttf, and we have to provide the weight for this. Please remove this dash here because we do not need that. Great. And you have to type for weight here. Great. Now you have to provide this font type weight. To find that weight, go back to your download link of the font pack, and in customize tab you can find the weight for your font. In this Roboto-Bold.ttf we can find the bold one here as 700. Okay, now we have provided that here as 700. Okay, great. Now let's add another one called Roboto-Light fonts slash Roboto-Light.ttf. Now weight colon in Roboto-Light.ttf the weight is this one, 300. Okay, so we can provide it as this 300. Okay, now if you need this font as a italic you can keep it like this, or if you need you can remove like this. Okay, great. Now I don't need this font family. I'm going to comment that again. Great. Now go back to your main.dart file. Let's see how to add a custom font in your TextStyle. Now I have added the text here. To add a style for that, okay, now by adding a comma I can put a style code here, style colon. Now I'm going to call for text style like this, and inside these brackets I'm going to create line spaces. It will help you to understand. Now I can provide font family here, font family. Now put quotations here and type your font family name. In this pub.spec.yaml file, we have provided our font family name as Roboto. Now we have to provide that name as Roboto. Okay. Now you can see the current font, and by running the app, oh, we are seeing some issue here. To resolve this expected key while passing a block mapping error, in your pub.spec.yaml file, scroll to this fonts code, and here you can see first font element. Check here, you have available 3 spaces, but you have to remove 1 space from that, and check for in this family area there is 3 spaces from these fonts. You have to remove 1 space like this, and here again in this SS start 1, I'm going to remove another space like this and another space. Okay, because of spaces is significant in this pub.spec.yaml file. Let's run now app. Oh, there's a shoe that is about weight. I think to resolve that, I'm going to check for adding spaces again. Okay, I'm sorry for previous mistake that you have to keep 1 to 3 spaces from this second fonts start code. That means this keyword, not this one. Again, let's see. I am going to remove 1 space from this fonts keyword and remove another space from this family keyword and 1 space from this one, and I'm going to run this one. Okay, great. Now let's go ahead with codes. Now I need to select this Roboto-Light font as my appBar font. To do that, remember your weight for your font pack. For Roboto-Light, one is 300 in this main.dart file. After this font family keywords, I'm going to add another keyword called fontWeight and colon. Now use fontWeight dot w 300. Okay, great. Now let's take a screenshot of this design and let's run a new version. Okay, you can see the change. Let's see by changing it to another one. I'm going to add our last font as Roboto-Thin. Okay, now Roboto-Thin as Roboto-Thin. Okay, now Roboto-Thin weight is 100. Great. Now in this main.dart file, I am going to change font weight to W100. Okay, this is the result that I am getting from the Flutter. The thing is, when you provide the weight, it will choose which type of font they are going to use from this font family. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is youtube.com/SCIKER.